Regina walks like she'll spell sunshine all around her. She was one movie old in Tollywood when I first met her. All bubbly and charming. Even after a series of hits, she's still the same adorable girl, patient and friendly. Hi Regina, welcome to the show on Gulti.com. If you can say hi to our viewers, it will be really nice.
Hi, Gulti.com viewers.
కంగ్రాట్స్ మీ మూవీ పిల్ల నువ్వు లేని జీవితం హ్యూజ్ సక్సెస్ కోసం సో ద మూవీ హ్యాస్ హ్యాడ్ ఎక్స్పెరిమెంటల్ స్క్రీన్ ప్లే అండ్ ఇట్ హ్యాస్ ప్లేడ్ అ హ్యూజ్ పార్ట్ ఇన్ ద హోల్ సక్సెస్ హౌ డస్ ఇట్ ఫీల్
యాక్చువల్లీ మూవీ రిలీజ్ అయిన ముందు కూడా ఎవ్రీ వాట్ ఎవర్ వీ సెడ్ వాజ్ మూవీ అది స్టోరీ అని రొటీన్గానే ఉంటుంది కానీ స్క్రీన్ ప్లే కొంచెం కొత్తగా డిఫరెంట్గా ఉంటుంది అండ్ ఐ థింక్ అందరూ కూడా మూవీ చూసిన తర్వాత దే వర్ గ్రీడ్ విత్ వాట్ వీవ్ సెడ్ అండ్ దట్ ఆల్ దట్ క్రెడిట్ హ్యాస్ టు గో టు రవికుమార్ చౌదరి గారు పిల్ల నువ్వు లేని జీవితం డైరెక్టర్ బికాజ్ ఆయన తీసిన కథకి ఇట్ వాజ్ లైక్ the whole story was put out so well, right from the characters anduru so all credit goes.
So మీరు గోల్డెన్ గర్ల్ ఫర్ గీతా ఆర్ట్స్ అని అంటున్నారు కొత్త జంట అండ్ పిల్ల నువ్వు లేని జీవితం ఎనీ మోర్ మూవీస్ ఇన్ ద పైప్ లైన్ ఫర్ మెగా క్యాంప్
మెగా క్యాంప్లో ఉందండి ఇన్ఫ్యాక్ట్ ద నెక్స్ట్ ఫిల్మ్ is called సుబ్రహ్మణ్యం ఫర్ సేల్ సాయిధరం తేజ్ కూడా మళ్ళీ హరిశంకర్ గారు డైరెక్ట్ చేస్తున్నారు దట్ ఈస్ విత్ దిల్ రాజు గారు ఇస్ దిస్ థింగ్ శ్రీ వెంకటేశ్వర క్రియేషన్స్
సాయిధరం తేజ్ ఇస్ అ న్యూ కమర్ ఇంకా మీరు ఆల్రెడీ ఇండస్ట్రీలో ఉన్నారు సో డిడ్ యూ లైక్ బుల్లీ హిమ్ డ్యూరింగ్ ద షూట్స్
యాక్చువల్లీ ఇట్ వాస్ ది ఆపోజిట్ he used to pull my leg all the time. In fact, the first few days tanu kalsinappudu on shoot we did a photo shoot with each other once and then after that we started shoot. So probably 4 days of shoot we were like very like hi, how are you, fine, thank you anamata. I think after those 4-5 days we couldn't, and both of us are very like talkative and very lively people anamata. And after that it was just like so it was so much fun. So in fact he always pulls my leg. Lots of anecdotes. Even yesterday also, I mean ipude we just finished the Vijayatra and a success tour chesin tarvata we are back and a success tour lo kuda we went in a bus together all of us so he me andru Prabhas Sinu garu mana director, Hema garu, our producers Dil Raju garu, Banivas garu, Harshit. So andru we have this like bond anamata eppudu. And with Tej, he always calls me Papa Garu. I call him Babu Garu. It just happened, like everyone calls me Papa on sets, and then he keeps telling everyone that I told him he has to give me respect. So he started calling me Papa Garu. But there are a lot of anecdotes because we've been shooting for about a year and a half. And in fact if you've seen the film, there's this huge pre-climax sequence, the train sequence. We shot that for 17 days. So and adi chala emotional scene mana movie lo. In fact we've had the most fun shooting for that scene. It's I don't know if anyone would believe me, but director garu cut cheppin tarvata someone or the other will crack a joke, we'd laugh, or Tej would like I'll be and they'll be like okay shot ready and cheppi we'll be getting ready and I was like crying, so I'll glycerine and I'll be looking at the mirror and setting myself up he'll just come from the back and tap my shoulder and he'll be like Papa Garu. I'll be like what, and he'll just spray water on my face. So things like that. And our director used to by the end of shoot aina jutlu pattukoni used to be like, can you please stop, concentrate on the scene.
You also drove Avenger in the movie, right?
But
you drove Avenger in the movie.
Yes,
so
yes.
do you know bike riding, or have you learned it just for the film?
So they told me I need to ride a bike.
Okay.
And I tried. I rode a Passion Pro. I was riding outside my hotel. I was learning to ride. Just how to the clutch press cheskoni gear shift ela cheyalanamata. But I rode that, like I rode the bike properly with Tate sitting behind me. It was quite a memorable this thing, because I was in a pair of shorts, and I was like, oh my god, how am I gonna do this? Kani, it came out really well, and I was really proud about the fact that I could ride the Avenger.
PNL lo మీ role it's very different from what you usually play, like a serious role. So do you want to break away from the bubbly you and that mold and get into like serious movies and serious roles?
Actually, you know what? Pilanovaleni Jeevitam, when the offer came to me, this was the first offer that came in the row of ippudu routine love story ayin tarvata, probably I don't know a week or 2 weeks after that, Banivasu garu called me from Geethats and said, we have this movie, we'd like you to this thing and all of that. So it was not like I want to break away from anything. The offer came to me back then. So Kotta Janta ki mundu, Rara Krishna ki mundu, Power ki mundu, this was what came to me. Okay, and we were supposed to release before all these films. Kani edo we had a lot of hurdles, and it released now. So it's not like I want to break away. Alanti em ledandi. It's more like ఏ roles వస్తుంది దానికి I want to like give my best. I want to 100% చేయాలి, and audience కి నమ్మాలి అన్నమాట. They have to like be like, okay, she's it shouldn't be like, oh, we're looking at Regina on screen. It should be like they're looking at the character.
All your energies, there's a lot of energy about you. So మీ source of energy enti?
I don't know. It's just like I love to stay happy. I hate having to even if there's something bad happening around me, I try not to talk about it, not to think about it annamata. ఎప్పుడైతే హ్యాపీగా ఉండాలి, that's the thing. And I don't know, I have absolutely no answer to where the energy comes from. Kani, I like to be like that. I can't be someone who sits unless I'm really tired. నేను చాలా tired ఉన్నప్పుడు, okay, I'll sit down quietly.
So how do you pick your roles, Regina? And you played a powerful cameo in Power, and then you have like these bubbly characters that you have played. So how do you pick your roles?
I've just been lucky that ఈ ఆఫర్స్ వస్తుంది, దాంట్లో there's been a difference. Obviously it takes a certain amount of picking, and the picking happens only from the offers I get. So if there are 5 things, I say what I want to do, what I don't want to do, based on, and also as an actor, versatility. I don't know what you say for versatility in Telugu, కానీ various shades ఉండాలి. ఇప్పుడు I as an actor, I don't want to say, రేపు ఎవరు అడుగుతారంటే I don't want to be like, oh, నాకు ఇది రాదు, నాకు తెలీదు, ఎలా చేయాలి, ఇలాంటి రోల్స్ నేను ఎలా చేయను అనమాట. I want to be able to play it. So picking a character is more like how challenging it is. Sometimes it doesn't have to be challenging. The entire story can be so nice. Like for instance, ippudu Subramaniam for Sale lo kuda, it's not like I'm playing a really challenging role, but it's a really cute film, and chala cute moments untundi. She's a normal girl, there's no difference. I mean, andru ippudu films oka cinema ki vellinappudu, they're not like characters ఎంత డిఫరెంట్గా ఉంటుంది అనమాట. దే వాంట్ టు సీ హౌ ద ఫిల్మ్ హెస్ కమ్ అవుట్ అండ్ ఎంజాయ్ చేయడానికి వెళ్తాను. సో ఐ డోంట్ వాంట్ టు బీ లైక్ ఓన్లీ డిఫరెంట్ క్యారెక్టర్స్ చేస్తాను అనమాట. ఐ వాంట్ టు డూ రియలీ నైస్ థింగ్స్.
మీ నెక్స్ట్ ఫిల్మ్ శంకర గురించి ఏదైనా చెప్తారా?
సో శంకర హ్యాస్ బిన్ ఇన్ ద ఆఫింగ్ ఫర్ అ లాంగ్ టైమ్. షూట్స్ అయిపోయింది, సెన్సర్ కూడా అయిపోయింది. I think it's up to the producers to talk about it. I'm sure they will release it. I do hope they release it soon, because it is a really nice film. Oka offbeat film adi. It's very chala serious film, kani they've taken it really well.
Me first film Kandanal Mudal, you were just 13 and you played a role of a you were 14. Okay, so you were 14 and you played a role of a 21-year-old pregnant woman. So how challenging was that at that age?
Well, appudu in fact the director Priya ma'am was the assistant director for Mani Ratnam, and I worked with her before. So when she said she made me audition for the film, audition ayin tarvata they were really happy. And when I heard that I'm going to play a pregnant girl who elopes, it was, in fact, it was something that I was like, oh, you know, I wasn't scared, but I was more excited. Things like this excite me. Okay, ela cheyali, em cheyali, sari ela kattukovali. I had to have that whole, you know, that pregnant thing, the pillow happening. So I was so excited to play it. You know, I was like, wow, let me try Anmata.
Was it a risky pick?
No, not really. See, at that time I was only in the 9th standard. So 9th standard lo unnappudu I'm not even thinking what career. I was only thinking about my next 10th standard board exam. So till date I don't think you know, it's like, oh, ee risk తీసుకోవాలా లేదా. I have other people to do that for me, my manager and everybody else. I'm, like I said, hassle free, ఏమీ ఉండకూడదు మైండ్లో. I love to have a balance. So I was happy I played that role, you know, even though everyone was
Vicky
surprised.
lauds you for that character.
But like I mean, it was not like I was never sad or, you know, unhappy that I had to play a pregnant girl. I was really excited.
So why did you like take a break after it and you went to do short films, and you know, was it a move that you thought of or planned move?
Okay, so like I said, 9th standard, this is what happened. 10th standard, I said board exams. So my mom is very strict. Okay, I come from a family, you know, that everyone is really well educated. So my mom said, you do whatever you, in fact in the 9th standard my ambition was to become an army doctor. Like I was like all into, I want to do my doctorate, I want to, you know, do my MBBS, blah 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 and all of that.
When did this happen?
This was till the 9th standard. In the 9th standard, till then, everyone was like, no, doctor na, oddu, chala, you know, your family life undodu, idi undodu, adi undodu. So I was like, okay, you know, slowly, I was like, but I wanted to help people, you know. And so after that, like, you know, you grow and you start learning about different professions. Chala professions chusin tarvata, psychology entered. So after the 9th, it was like psychology cheyali anamata. I love reading people, I love talking to people, I love reading behaviors.
So you did a degree in psychology,
Yes,
right?
that was in college.
Yeah.
So in the 10th, my mom said you have to do your board exams and concentrate and all. I was like, yeah, okay, you know. 11th, I did a Tamil film. It was an utter flop film, but it gave me an exposure that I don't think I would have gotten from anything else. You know, like it gave me an understanding. I understood at a very young age what it is, what to do, what not to do, when to put your foot down, ఏ మూవీ చేయాలి, ఏ మూవీ చేయకూడదు, ఎలా, you know, ఎలాంటి బిహేవియర్ ఎలా ఉండాలి సెట్స్లో ఇది అని, యాజ్ అ హీరోయిన్. You know, even though I did Kandanal Mudal, it was a sister character. So, you know, and I was 14, so everyone's treating you as a kid. Hero ayin tarvata andru madam pilstaru, andru, you know, and when I was in the 11th, so around 16, 17, people were like, madam this, madam that. So I was still getting used to all of that. So I was growing. 11th ayin tarvata, 12th happened. I became the school pupil leader. So I couldn't, so my principal called me to the office one day and she said, you know, we're making you the school pupil leader, we don't want you to do anything close to films. So I was like, yeah, it's fine. I mean, no, I don't really, I mean, I wasn't saying acting was going to be my career till recently. So I finished the 11th and I finished the 12th. Then I was like, oh, ipudu college. And what happened was, while all this was happening, I was getting a lot of offers, chala offers vachindi. Kani there was no time. I couldn't bunk school, I couldn't do all of that. Like I said, na amma, she's so strict about school and studying and all of that. So in college, and I was doing a lot of ads, I was doing a lot of modeling. College happened, I said no way, 75% attendance kavali, ela 2 months shoot velte, 3 months ki shoot velte ela avutundi anamata. I said first year of college I'm not going to do anything, but I was still getting a lot of offers. So my second year of college em chesanante, I did a Kannada film. But it taught me that I can't balance both. In fact, I had to tell them I had typhoid and go out. I think till date, na principal ki telidu. If she watches or reads any of the interviews, that's when she's going to come to know. But it was difficult. it was really difficult. I had to bunk college, I couldn't go, shooting in Bangalore. So I said, you know what, this is not happening. If I'm focusing, I need to focus on one. I need to finish my graduation at least. So my third year, I did only short films, I did ads, did a lot of nice short films which have actually like made a mark. You know, a lot of people knew me from my short films more than anything else before I started Telugu films. So I was happy. I was in a happy place because I love to act. Okay, I mean, you put me on the stage and you give me lines to say, I will say it, you know, and I love to dance. So I was happy doing college culturals and studying and all of that. Finished my third year, and that's when SMS people saw my short films. And they asked me to come in for an audition. I auditioned for Shekhar Kamla's Life is Beautiful as well. But SMS happened faster, and within a week I knew I was doing the film, but only after my April exams.
Did you like score well at your college?
Yeah. See, the thing was, I wasn't like a super great student and all that. I was average. I was a 70% student, but I loved my subject. Like, I really loved it. In fact, I still wish I could go back and do a PG, you know, but psychology is something you can't do as correspondence. You have to go to college and do things. So it's a little bit of a, I wish I could do something about that kind of a feeling. But I've been trying to get online courses and do something like that, do at least a diploma.
Do you score the movies that you played and you worked for? Do you rate them after you watch it?
Yeah, I do have a personal thing of, okay, you know what, this is bad, that is bad. More than the movie, on the whole, I score each scene, you know. For me, it's like when I'm watching a scene, sometimes if it's a funny scene also, I'll be sitting like that. Because I'm actually like looking at everyone reacting. Sometimes I'll be looking at the person not even talking, who's actually listening and seeing how they're reacting, you know. I do all these weird things.
Do you do that to yourself as well?
Yeah. And no, actually that happens more to yourself. If you screen pain unnarante, you'll be looking at yourself. Sometimes you won't even be looking at the other person. Right. So what I do is, I watch the film at least twice. In fact, I generally watch it more than 2 times, but at least twice. Because I want to see what I'm doing, and I also want to see what the audience reaction is. I also want to see how the other people have reacted. So, you know, like, I want to see everything to do with the film. I love to trisect and dissect and bisect and everything.
Meer work chesina movies lo, which was the most fun movie that you, and the most fun co-star you worked with?
I can't really pick because right from SMS to Ippudu Pillanavuleni Jeevitam, అన్నీ చాలా బాగుంటుంది. Like, there's everything that I've never had a bad moment. For me, like a film like Rara Krishnaya was very stressful only ఎందుకంటే ఆ సాంగ్ చేయాలి, the title track. And I'm someone who's not very comfortable showing off my midriff or my legs. So, you know, I take time to get used to the fact that I need to show it, and I need to work out. For me, I can't call myself a perfectionist laga ledu, kani if I'm doing something like that, it has to look good. Otherwise, I will not do it anamata. So Rara Krishnaya was quite stressful that way for me. Even in Pillanavuleni Jeevitam, there's a scene. So, you know, during those scenes I get this thing. But on the whole, every film has like some really good memory. Shooting for Routine Love Story was really good because appudu konni days ki I wouldn't even have an assistant. So, you know, sometimes I'll be doing my own thing, you know, like I'll be making my own green tea or something like that. And but I had like an amazing director, Praveen Satar, who's so good. We used to have very intellectual conversations. So every film,
He seems to be well read.
He is. And Kotta Jantalo, you know, everyone was so much fun. Richard was from Chennai. So every film, anni films lo edo okati, you know, there's something really nice.
How do you recharge between projects?
So 2013 lo, in fact, if you ask me this last year would have been better. Recharge during projects, sometimes there's no time. I actually like working every day. But I also need, like, if I'm working every day for like a month, the oka 1 week undali between this thing. I always believe in a balance. Sometimes what I do is I get carried away. I get carried away with work. I'm easily carried away with work. You know, if someone says you have to do this today, it's good for the film, I will just do it. Like, I won't even think twice. I don't know. I'm just, yeah.
సో మీతో అయిన ఏదైనా ఫ్యాన్ స్టోరీ గురించి విచ్ ఇస్ వెరీ మెమరబుల్.
సో ఫ్యాన్ స్టోరీ అంటే ట్విట్టర్లో చాలామంది మెసేజ్ చేస్తారండి, యూనో లైక్ దే లైక్ ఐ లవ్ యూ, ఐ వాంట్ టు మ్యారీ యూ. బట్ యాక్చువల్లీ టు సీ ద ఫ్యాక్ట్ దట్ పీపుల్ అంత రెస్పాన్స్ ఇస్తున్నారనమాట, ఇట్స్ క్వైట్ నైస్. ఇట్స్ ఓవర్వెల్మింగ్ కొంచెం. ఇట్స్ లైక్ ఎందుకు ఇలా చెప్తున్నారు వీళ్ళు. ఐ మీన్ లైక్ యునో ఇట్స్ మోర్ లైక్ ఐ హ్యావెంట్ డన్ ఎనీథింగ్, యునో లైక్ ఐమ్ జస్ట్ డూయింగ్ సంథింగ్ ఐ రియలీ లవ్. నాకు చాలా యూనో ఇష్టమైన ప్రొఫెషన్లో ఉన్నాను, అండ్ ఐఎమ్ గ్లాడ్ ఇలాంటి రియాక్షన్స్ వస్తుంది. బట్ సంథింగ్ దట్ ఈస్ వెరీ ఓవర్ ద టాప్ అంటే ఎవరు ఇంకా నో వన్ హస్ డన్ ఎనీథింగ్. బట్
నేను ఇంత ఫేమసా అనే మూమెంట్ ఎప్పుడైనా అయిందా?
లేదండి, ఇట్స్ మోర్ లైక్ అ క్వశ్చన్ మార్క్. ఇన్ఫ్యాక్ట్ విజయయాత్ర కూడా చేసినప్పుడు యునో ఐ వాజ్ సిట్టింగ్ ఇన్ ద బస్ నుంచి బయట వెళ్తే అంతే, యునో వీ హ్యాడ్ లైక్ సమ్ 6 బౌన్సర్స్ అక్కడ. బట్ అప్పుడు కూడా ఇట్ వాజ్ యునో డిఫికల్ట్ టు గెట్ అవుట్. సో ఐ వాజ్ సిట్టింగ్ ఇన్ ద బస్. తేజ్ కొంచెం బయట వెళ్ళి హీ వుడ్ గో అండ్ సే హాయ్ ఫ్రమ్ ద విండో. దే ఆస్క్డ్ మీ టు క్లోజ్ ద కర్టన్ వన్స్. సో క్లోజ్ చేసిన తర్వాత దే వర్ హిట్టింగ్ ద బస్ డమాల్ 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 డమాల్. And I had to open the window and keep it, you know, and just say hi. Hi chapte andariki. I have videos. Like I was more, you know, surprised. Ilanti chestunara veelu, you know, entidi, who is this? Who are these people? Why are they reacting like this anamata? I have videos, I have pictures, and the moment I take out my camera, no, they start making noise, and it was fun, you know, and yeah, like I said, oka question mark untundi, you know, like nenu inta famous na.
ట్విట్టర్ అంటే గుర్తుకొచ్చింది, యు ఆర్ మాన్యూ ఫాలోవర్ అండ్ ఫ్యాన్. సో మీకు ఫుట్బాల్లో ఇంట్రెస్ట్ ఎలా వచ్చింది?
I have a friend who is a Manchester United fanatic. Like ఒక రోజు మనందరూ కూర్చొని we were watching last season's Premier League, and Manchester United lost a match. It was a crucial match. Kani they were already somewhere below the table, down in the table, and I turned around to see him because you know they lost, and I turned, and his face was like as if he lost, you know, like, you know, his loved one or something. Enta kashto, enta, you know, it was like I can't even explain enta, like, you know, sadness on his face. And so I spend a lot of time with people who love sport, and these people, I've just by default become a Manchester United fan.
Have you played football?
No, I can't. I've tried to play a little bit. I used to play basketball in school, but I probably, in fact, ippudu I can understand what it is to be a fan, because when I see these people on the field now, in fact, I think 2-3 months back, Manchester United came to the US, and it so happened nenu kuda appudu I was in the same state that they were in. So they were playing in Maryland. So a few friends of mine were going for it, and you know, since they had a ticket, I went. Nenu velli chusenu, and to actually look at these people play, and like I really like a few players now. I'm a newfound. So it can't, okay, obviously it's like it has to be Rooney and all of that, but I don't think I can say Rooney because I'm a fan of Januzaj and De Gea, the goalkeeper. Although people say, you know, why goalkeeper? He's not even playing half the game or whatever. But he's an amazing goalkeeper. He saved so many goals for Manchester United, even in the last match against Arsenal. So yeah, De Gea and Januzaj.
సో రెజినా, మీరు ఒక ఫ్యాషనిస్తా అని అందరూ చెప్తున్నారు అండ్ యూఆర్ లైక్ వెల్ డ్రెస్డ్, అన్ని మూవీ ప్రమోషన్స్ నుంచి యూనో టీవీ షోస్ అన్నిట్లో మీ స్టైలింగ్ చాలా మంచిగా ఉందని చెప్తున్నారు. సో మీరు ఇంద్రాక్షితో వర్క్ చేస్తున్నారు. వాట్ డూ యూ వాంట్ టు సే అబౌట్ దాట్?
యాక్చువల్లీ ఇంద్రాక్షికి ఒక నేమ్ పెట్టాను నేను, షీఈ్ లైక్ మై ఫెయిరీ గాడ్ మదర్ అని. ఎందుకంటే షీ హ్యాస్ ఎవ్రీథింగ్ సెట్, యునో. ఇదే దిస్ ఇస్ ది అవుట్ఫిట్, ఇది మేకప్, ఇది హెయిర్, ఇలా చేయాలి, అలా చేయాలి. షీ ఈజ్ సమ్మన్ హూ హ్యాస్ లిటరలీ like turned me around as an image wise, and I owe all the credit to her. I mean no one else but her, because she does a fabulous job. Meere ippudu chepparu kada fashionista ani pedda like names ani naku, you know, it's like a little over the top for me. Not only just Indrakshi she is my friend first and my stylist second, because we met as friends. Even Priyanka Chigurupati, she had her collection before. So I mean, these two people are like the people who always help me, you know, and all my thanks to them.
మీరు ఇంద్రాక్షిని ఎలా కలిసారు? అండ్ తను బాంబేలో వర్క్ చేశారు కదా ముందు.
She's still working there. She's from there, working there. So the thing is, she's actually Brahmaji Garu's daughter-in-law. She loves styling, she loves her work, and we met at Brahmaji Garu's Holi party. We met as friends, you know, and Brahmaji Garu introduced us, and that day was like, you know, we were like, it was Holi, so we were full of color, we were like drenched, we were dancing, we took selfies, everything. And then she told me she's a stylist. She styled Vidya Balan, she styled Evelyn Sharma, she styled so many top actresses in Bombay. So I thought, you know, this girl anyway won't be interested, but actually Ammai entante, she's a Bengali Ammai. So you know, when she said that, you know, she's a Bengali, I was like, oh my god, power lo oka Bengali Ammai role chese nenu, you know, suppose audio launch unte will you like to style me ni adigi. She was like, yeah, sure, you know. And then audio launch rojiki, I think about a week before, I told her ila undi anamata, and she was so interested. I didn't think she'd be that interested, because ఎందుకంటే బాంబేలో ఉన్న వాళ్ళకి when you think of them, they don't combine too well with the south. So okay, you know, and she got me the best designers. She got me Payal Kanwala. Yeah, it was so different. And you know, like, she made sure I looked like a fashionista.
మీరు కొత్త ఫ్యాషన్ డిజైనర్స్ని ఎంకరేజ్ చేయాలనుకుంటున్నారా, లేదంటే ఓన్లీ వర్క్ విత్ పీపుల్ హూ అండర్స్టాండ్ యువర్ స్టైల్? అండ్
అలాంటి ఏం లేదండి. ఇన్ఫ్యాక్ట్ ఐ లవ్ ఎన్కరేజింగ్ న్యూ పీపుల్, బికాజ్ నాకు తెలుసు ఒక కొత్త, యూనో, వాట్ ఎవర్ ఇన్ విచ్ ఎవర్ ఫీల్ యూర్ న్యూ ఇన్, ఎంత హార్డ్గా ఉంటుంది, ఎలా ఉంటుంది. సో ఐ లవ్ ఎన్కరేజింగ్ న్యూ పీపుల్. But right now, ela ante, I'm just concentrating on building my team anamata. So I'm really happy with the team I've built, right from my hair and makeup guy, my assistant, my manager, now my stylist. So and I should say, touch wood, or you know, I've never had to experiment too much with people. It's just so happened that veelu alane vacharu anamata, you know. It's and I'm happy. So but
like a magnet.
I don't know what it is, but I'm definitely really lucky, you know, Andy, because endukante in this field it's difficult. Chala mandi మీరు screen lo చూస్తారు కదా, suppose ఏదో తేడా ఉంటుందంటే, you know, they'll blame you, you know, and you have to take on that responsibility. So it's difficult, but I have this really good team with me who, you know, love to take suggestions and matter. So right now, even though I'd love to encourage new people, I'm really concentrating on building my team.
So we have this pick one of the followings. Yeah. So it's hot masala or cold coffee.
Masala. Okay, yeah.
Blanca or Geetanjali?
Geetanjali.
Bike ride or SUV?
Bike ride.
Okay, spa or bungee jumping?
Spa. No, actually bungee jumping and then spa. Bungee jumping. You know why? You know why I said spa right now? Because I need one right now. But the exhilaration from a bungee jump any day.
US or Europe?
I've been to the US, so I would pick Europe. Because I want to go there.
Who would you want to be stuck in an island with? Is it Arjun Rampal or Prabhas?
I don't know who to pick now. I'm thinking Prabhas.
Okay, done. Thanks, Regina, for coming and talking to us and being so patient with us. And finally, like, nice catching up with you. Yeah, for all the Gulti.com viewers, I want to have a selfie moment with you.
Sure, I'd love
the best part of the show.
Okay, so thank you Vrinda and Gulti.com viewers. చాలా థ్యాంక్స్ అండి. ఈ ఇంటర్వ్యూ నేను చాలా బాగా ఎంజాయ్ చేశాను అండ్ థ్యాంక్స్ అలాట్ ఫర్ హ్యావింగ్ మీ ఓవర్.